Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be doing a Sigma brush little mini haul. I purchased a couple of brushes from their website, and if I recall correctly, the sale was like 50% off, so I took advantage of buying some other good quality brushes. So I will be showing you what I purchased in here. So I did buy a couple of them. It's not a huge haul, but they're quite some. So yeah, I'll show you what I purchased. And I did get some free stuff. So Sigma does give free stuff with some of your orders. I don't know if it's with every order, but I know with this one I got 2 samples, 2 free items. Okay, so I purchased all of these. Yeah, so let's see. Let's start with this big one here. So this one is an F25 brush that I purchased. And the F25 brush normally cost $34. This is a tapered face brush. So normally it costs $34 and I got it on sale for $22.10. And this face brush is for blush, bronzer, highlighting where you want. So it's tapered, so you could really go in for precision there. So I'll open up this little baby. See here, they're very soft, and definitely you can see here it's tapered, so you could really aim to where you want to apply your blush, your highlighter, your bronzer. And I like the hardware, it's really pretty. I like their lettering, it's really nice, looks like good quality, very good quality. So this one is the F25. The next one I bought is an E58. There you go. And an E58 is a cream color brush. So it's for creams. They say here is to smooth on creamy pigments or like eyeshadow primers. So that's what it's used for. And yeah, it's kind of rounded. Not sure if you could see it there, but it's kind of rounded. And let me see if I can open this one up for you. Some of these are kind of taped. The other one wasn't taped. So there we go. So see? Oh, and it's got plastic around the silver casing there. Very soft too. So yeah, that's for putting on creams or like putting eye primer. So this one's very nice too. Next brush I bought is an E62. And the E62 is a cut crease brush, and it's to create cut creases. Fits in the crease and glides seamlessly. So you can use this with creams or powder products. So let's try to open this one. This one's also got the tape. Oh yeah, I can open it now. Okay. So this one here, yeah, it's perfect for cut creases. It's angled for precision. Very soft too as well. Yeah, very beautiful. And sorry, forgot about the prices. Okay, so this one here, the cut crease brush normally cost, well, right now it's on sale for $13.60 and I got this for $8.84. The other brush, which was the E58, that one was the cream color brush. This one here, it's currently on sale for $11.20 and I got this for $7.28. So that was a nice price reduction. So this one is the E40, and the E40 is a tapered blending brush. And this one here, it says it's it's for softening harsh lines or applying a transition color to the crease. Yeah. Also for placing highlight products. Well, that's good. I mean, I think all of these you can use for multiple things that you want to do. I'm just reading off what they're meant on the website. So there you go. I mean, yeah, you can definitely tell that this would be really good for the crease, for putting on transition color or using it for highlighting. Yeah, or like what it says, for softening harsh lines. So this one here, it's currently on the site for $17 and I got it on sale for $11.05. So it's a very good deal too. Very soft too. So far I'm liking everything I bought. Okay, so this one here is the E04. And the E04 is a lash fan brush. This one intrigued me because I saw a couple of YouTubers using this to kind of blend out like eyeshadow. But it says here that it's actually meant for the E04 for cleanup on shadow fallout or highlight where you want. Sorry, I'm reading the wrong one. Clean up for shadow fallout and apply mascara or glitter to wet lashes. Yeah. So it's a lot smaller. I kind of thought it would be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. So yeah, you're supposed to use this to put on mascara or to clean up shadow fallout or glitter to wet lashes. So I guess it's, yeah, multiple uses, but yeah, you can practically use it for whatever you might feel it might be good for. So yeah, that's the last of the products that I purchased, and these I got for free. That's a cute little brush. I got this. It's called the E65 Mini Small Angle Brush. And this brush here, it says here you can make smooth fluid lines along your upper and lower lashes or create hairline brows. So it's pretty cute. Yeah, it's angled for that precision. So that's nice. I got that for free. And then the last thing I got for free is this Sigma liquid brush cleaner, Sig Magic brush shampoo. So that's to clean your brushes. So it says here it's dissolves product buildup, oil, and dirt. So I'm going to actually try this. I'm curious to see how this compares to MAC's cleaner. Yeah, I'll see, yeah, how good it compares to that. So yeah, these are all the brushes I got. So I'm thinking I'll probably use these brushes in a different video just to see how they perform. I have no doubt that they're going to perform well, but I'm just curious to see how the look will come out using these. Because I use some other different brushes, different brand. So I like to see how the outlook comes out with these versus the ones I've been using. So yeah, that's it. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the little mini haul. So thank you for joining me. Have a nice rest of your day. Thank you.